ByteForge and laugh. RGB blow, no cap. Turning dust into racks. Every flip got facts. Yeah. Flip a rig, make it raw. ByteForge, we build a score.
Hello, friends. Today we are going to do another gross to great. We are flipping a CyberPower PC with a 1080 Ti in it, 16 gigabytes of RAM, a Ryzen 5 3600, 1 terabyte HDD, which we will not be using for a boot drive. And yeah, thanks for stopping in. The first thing we're going to do, like usual, is give it a quick look over and try to boot it up and get it to post and go from there. Now, this CyberPower PC wasn't super dirty, but it still needed a little bit cleaning to be done. And as you can see, a lot of cable management that needs to be done. The 1080 Ti was so clean. It's 11 gigs. It's a single fan, but I tell you what, this thing's actually pretty powerful. You'll see here at the end of the video the benchmarks. Now, taking off this AIO, I will not be reusing it. I think we can get cooler temps using just a stock AMD cooler, and there'll definitely be better airflow, I think. So yeah. So as you can see, it's a little dusty, but it's definitely not the worst we've dealt with here. It should just take a quick wipe down, some isopropyl, and be all good. Now let's get this motherboard out of here. Now that we got the motherboard out of the system, we're going to do a little bit of cleaning, and we're going to get that other CPU in there and throw the cooler on and do some testing. Like I said, we only spent $200 on the system, $40 on the Ryzen 5 3600. Do you guys think we got our money's worth or what? So the system came with a 2700 for the CPU. We got a 3600 for $40, so we'll be putting that in there. And then we have like 5 stock AM4 coolers just laying around, so we threw one of those on there. So the reason I throw this RX 550 on it is just because it doesn't need power and it's super easy to test with. Just throw it on there and we're good to go. And now we can start putting everything back together, reassembling everything. We'll start with getting the motherboard back in there. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? At 500 subs, we are starting the PC giveaway series, and then at 1500 subs, we are giving it away. So hit that sub button. Now let's check out these benchmarks.
Yeah. Yeah, ByteForge in the lab. RGB glow, we don't care. No. Turning dust into racks. Every flip got facts. Yeah. Yeah. Flip a rig, make it roll. ByteForge, we build and score. RGB lights on the floor. Turn a broke box to a wall. Money stacking like cold lines. Benchmark hitting like mine. It's every bill, yeah, one of a kind. ByteForge grind all the time. Got a 1080 Ti, that's the glower. Fresh pace, no dust when we show up. Refurb, reboot, make it blow up. FPF jumping when we load up. Ryzen chip, got the torch. Flip fast, never short. From a pawn shop score to the porch. Now the bank say, damn, you Lord. Lord. Flip a rig, make it roll. ByteForge, we build and score. RGB lights on the floor. Turn a broke box to a wall. Money stacking like cold lines. Benchmark hitting like mines. Every bill, yeah, one of a kind. ByteForge grind all the time. Fans spin like we in a race. Thermals low, we don't chase. Micro center eBay to base. Turn chart parts to a case. Vision one frames, we deliver. FPS high, make them shiver. From the basement to the figures. ByteForge, bone go get her. Facts. Lights flashing like I'm posting a short. CPU gleam, that sport. New drop, yeah, I'll import. Bill heat, but my time stay short. Flip a rig, make it roar. ByteForge, we build and score. RGB lights on the floor. Turn a broke box to a war. Money stacking like cold lines. Benchmark hitting like mines. Every bill, yeah, one of a kind. ByteForge grind all the time. Right.